As y'all can tell, I'm outside, and I have my BB gun, so we're gonna go see if we can find some birds. Doesn't look like there's any birds back here. So let's go around here, see if I can find some birds. I know I hear a bunch of them, but I can't see one. Oh, just seen one. There's one flying by right here and flew by this tree, so I reckon it's over here somewhere. Gotta be real careful because there's usually snakes around this area. So, see what we can do here. No bird. Oh, there's a bird. Let's see if we can get it. Ah, missed it. Better not look next time. If you want more videos from Seth Floyd, hit the like symbol down there.